Here I have a problem on logarithm. Let's read the question. Given that log 2 to the base 10 is equal to x and log 3 to the base 10 is equal to y, find the value of log 1.2 to the base 10. So that is we have to find the value of log 1.2 to the base 10. Okay, to get the value of log 1.2 to the base 10, we have tried this log 1.2 to the base 10 in terms of log 2 to the base 10 and log 3 to the base 10. So once we get log 2 and log 3, we can substitute x and y. Okay, so first my first work is going to be to remove the decimal in 1.2. So there is only one digit after the decimal point here, so easily we can remove the decimal point by taking the denominator 10, that is 12 divided by 10. Okay, so here two numbers are in division, so we can use a second fundamental law of logarithm. In argument, if two numbers are in division, we can take logarithm separately for each number, that is for numerator and denominator, and we have to subtract them. So we get log 12 to the base 10 minus log 10 to the base 10. Okay, so in the next step what I am going to do is I am going to decompose 12 into the prime factors 2 and 3. 12 is an even number, so we can divide it by 2, we get 6. Again 6 is an even number, we can divide it by 2, we get 3. So 12 can be written as 2 times 2 can be written as 2 square times 3. So log, instead of 12 we can write 2 square times 3 to the base 10, and the value of this logarithm is 1 because the base and the argument are equal. Okay, in the next step, here two numbers are multiplied. According to the first fundamental law of logarithm, in argument if two values are multiplied, we have to take logarithm separately for each value and we have to add them. That is log 2 square to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10 minus 1. Okay, here we can get this exponent 2 in front of the logarithm according to the third fundamental of logarithm. So it's going to be 2 log 2 to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10 minus 1. So that's all the simplification we can do. Now what we can do is we can substitute value for this log 2 to the base 10 and log 3 to the base 10. For log 2 to the base 10 we have x, for log 3 to the base 10 we have y. So it's going to be 2x plus y minus 1. So the value of log 1.2 to the base 10 is equal to 2x plus y minus 1.